Hello my fellow linguists, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Priyanka and you are watching Language Fluent. We at Language Fluent provide different levels of courses for foreign languages. We also provide courses for job purposes, migration purposes, etc. We have a job-oriented course for a duration of 2 years. For more information, you can call on the numbers given below or download our app from the link given in the description box. Let's start. In today's video, we will talk about the indefinite article. Heute lernen wir die unbestimmten Artikel. So, fangen wir an. In the previous video, you have learned the definite article. So, in English, the definite article is the. In German, we have der, die, das. So, those are the definite articles. Now, we will see the indefinite articles. They are called die unbestimmten Artikel. Means the indefinite articles. Like in English, we have a and an. In German, we have ein und eine. Ein und eine. So, our indefinite article will also depend on the gender of the noun. So first let's have a look at the masculine. So masculine, the definite article is der and the indefinite article is ein. Then for feminine nouns, the definite article is die and the indefinite article is eine. So you can see E is added at the end, just like in D. You can remember it that way. D, यहाँ पे E में end हो रहा है. Similarly, eine. Then for neutral we have das, and the indefinite article will be ein, same as the masculine article. Then for plural we don't have any indefinite article because when we are using indefinite articles, we are pointing out the singular objects. Therefore, for plural, we do not have the indefinite article. So, noch einmal, the masculine indefinite article is ein. Then feminine is eine. Then neutral is ein. So, der Stift means the pen. And a pen will be ein Stift. Then we have das Mädchen. Means the girl. Now a girl will be ein Mädchen. Then die Flasche. Means bottle. Now indefinite article will be eine Flasche. Similarly, der Apfel. Is it means the apple. We are using the definite article. Now, for der, the indefinite article will be ein. So, a apple or an apple will be ein Apfel. Then, das Buch means the book. So the book is das Buch and a book will be ein Buch. Then die Frau. So the feminine definite article is die and indefinite article is eine. Eine Frau means a woman. Now in sentences we have das ist eine Lampe. Means this is a lamp because Lampe is die Lampe. So therefore indefinite article will be eine. Similarly, das ist ein Stuhl. Means this is a stool. So now stool is der Stuhl. So indefinite article will be ein. So das ist ein Stuhl. So now you have to remember the definite articles, that is der, die, das, die, and then indefinite articles, which are ein, eine, ein. So these will change according to the cases that we will study in our later videos. For now, you have to remember ein, eine, ein. Then I am writing few nouns with definite articles. Please comment with the indefinite articles in the comment section. So first is der Mann, means the man. Then second, die Fluss, means the river. Then third, das Auto, means the car. So you have to write these words with the indefinite articles in the comment section. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. For more such videos, please don't forget to press the bell icon on your YouTube app to never miss on our updates. Language Fluent also provides interpretation and translation services. For more information, you can call on the numbers given below or fill out the registration form from the link given in the description box. See you all next time. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Danke. Tschüss.